In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in HubSpot. Whether you're managing your team or just keeping your HubSpot account organized, knowing how to properly delete a user can be incredibly useful. So, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're confident in handling this task. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look up to the top navigation bar. You should see the settings icon. Click on that icon to open the settings page. This is where we'll start the process of managing your team members. When you're in the settings, notice the left sidebar menu. From here, navigate to the section called Users and Teams. This is your central hub for managing all the individuals who have access to your HubSpot account. It's important to get familiar with this area, as it's where you'll define roles, teams, and as we're doing today, remove users who no longer need access. Once you're in Users and Teams, find the user you'd like to remove. Hover over their name. You'll notice an Actions button appears, which indicates your next step. Click on Actions and you'll see an option to deactivate user. This step is crucial because deactivating a user stops their access but keeps their data intact temporarily. In deactivation, you'll be met with a dialog box. It's important to review the advisory information provided. HubSpot will often remind you to consider if you need to reassign any tasks or data that this user was handling. Once you've reviewed this advisory and you're sure you're ready to proceed, click Deactivate User. After you've deactivated the user, you should find yourself back in the Users and Teams section. Your next move is to click on the name of the user you just deactivated. This gets us ready for the final removal process. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see another Actions button. Click on it and you will find an option that says Remove from Account. This is the final step to permanently remove their user profile from your HubSpot account. Again, take a moment here to review the advisory. HubSpot will prompt you to take any necessary actions to reassign any seats and assets that needed to be transferred before you permanently delete this user's profile. Once you've made all the adjustments, click Continue. This step prepares the system for the final change. After ensuring everything is set, go ahead and click Confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting a user in HubSpot. This careful step-by-step approach ensures that everything is done smoothly and accurately without leaving loose ends. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your HubSpot account efficiently. Feel free to check out more of our videos for additional HubSpot tips and tutorials.